Yes.
Okay. So before starting the class today, again I'm asking, are you like to solve like questions related to puzzles, riddles? Do you like?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
also like sometimes, like when it is so confusing, we are not getting the answer because answers are always there. But sometimes it happens that we got confused, right? So
Yes.
let's start with, yeah. Okay. Wonderful. Okay. So everyone, let's understand some different thing. Maybe you will be learning something new today. Okay. I can see Ariman's shirt is having some kind of prints. Yes, Ariman?
Yes.
It's a kind of pattern. No, it's. Can you just explain what kind of pattern it is?
I think it's red and white flowers with
Okay,
different
and it is
shapes.
repeating. No, it is repeating.
It is repeating all the time.
Yeah, that is what we call. Do you know when something is repeating in a particular form or
Loop,
something is following
pattern. Loop.
loop also? Yeah, we can say pattern, right? So today we are going to understand some patterns because there are different kind of patterns. Like we can see Ariman is having a shirt with full of patterns, right? Even you can see the curtains, the bed sheet, everything is having pattern. Sanvika, you having the background, that lines are also in the patterns, correct? Patterns are everywhere. Let's try to understand that how. Okay, so for that, I'm sharing my screen. Aryaman, we have Varun, Sanvika, Pihu, then we have Yuk and Atvik. Okay, ready? Let's start.
Let's start. Okay.
All right. Is it good? The screen is visible?
Yeah. Yes. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we are going to learn about patterns today. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
Okay. So it's a hello from this boy. So firstly, what are patterns? Would you like to explain about what are patterns? Like Aryaman explained it wonderfully that it's repeating thing. Okay. What else would you like to add on?
It's
Yes,
repeating,
Yog.
but ma'am, patterns are things which get repeated over and over and over and over again. There can be
Okay.
different kinds of patterns like number pattern, growing pattern, and repeating pattern.
Yeah, number, even alphabetical thing also can be repeated. Shapes of figures can also, right?
And yes.
Yes, Pihu.
Shape is also repeated, numbers also, tables also sometimes.
Correct. So let's see what kind of things we are learning today. Firstly, as you know, that pattern is nothing. It's a kind of sequence. As you know, that the repeats or follows a rule. Now, what kind of rule? Let me give you an example. Suppose if I have the letter A, we know that alphabetically it will be B, then it will be C, it will be D, right? What is this? This is also a pattern, isn't it? Because we know the alphabets. But instead of writing this, if I'll write A, then okay, D, E, F, then I'll write C, then I will write, then what should be the next number? What do you think?
D. 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 Ma'am,
D?
B. A. E. A.
Okay, I'll write one more. Okay, E, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. I'm writing one more. Here I'm writing E. Now tell me what will be the next.
The E will come F. G. 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 F.
G.
G, ma'am.
Okay. Why? Okay. Let me ask Sanvika. Sanvika, what is your answer? One by one. Okay. Sanvika.
A.
Yes, Sanvika. You're saying what? After E, what alphabet will come? Okay. Yug. What do you think, Yug? Unmute yourself.
F.
Okay. You are saying F. Okay. Shiva. We have Shiva. Pihu.
F only.
What do you think?
Shiva.
He
is Varun.
sorry.
Ma'am.
Yes,
He got
Varun.
confused.
Yeah. Varun,
G.
you are saying
G.
A, C, E, and G.
G.
Well, okay. Why G? Can you explain to your friends?
Because this pattern is repeating like skip one alphabet.
Very good. Good.
I was
Smart.
I
Yeah, I know. You are saying the same thing, correct? So, yes, it is correct answer. We are skipping, right? So, we followed a rule. What comes in our mind? That there is a rule which we have to follow, right? So, that's a good work. So, pattern is a sequence that repeats or follows a rule. Like skipping one here, it is happening. It can be made using numbers, letters, and the shapes, right? And patterns help us to understand order and find what comes next. Because we follow a certain rule, that's why we come to know, okay, this is going to be the rule and what will be the next letter. Okay, let's try with some types of pattern. So we are going to work in this chapter how to find missing term the way we did just now, right? The next term. Then missing term is given. It can be matrix or shape based on alphabetical or number, right? It can be alphabet also. It can be number. Then completion of figure by finding the missing part. Sometimes it can be happen like a puzzle. Something is missing. We need to find out by following some rule. It can be any pattern. Yes, Pihu?
Which rules what?
Which?
Rules.
Rules. Like Varun said, no? Skipping one, A, then B, then C, D, E, F, and the G. So what is the rule?
Skipping each other.
Yeah, this is the rule. Correct? As we have the rules in our game, similarly, patterns also follows the rule. All right. So in the type 1, let's try to figure out the missing number. Okay, so we are going to work on alphabetical series. You know how many letters we have in alphabet?
Yes.
How many?
26.
Wonderful. So now let's try to understand what comes before this letter, what comes after this letter. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
So you should know the alphabetical order A, B, C, D, E, F, G, right? Look for the pattern. We will be understanding what comes next, what comes before, everything. Here is the first question. I want you all to type your letter in the chat box, okay? Find the next number of the series. You
Okay.
have
That's
B, E, and no one will give the answer directly. I want you to use the chat box and then I will take your name.
Sanvika and Varun, do you know how to use the chat box?
okay. B, C.
Okay, I'm explaining you. You can see that in the right corner, there is a page kind of thing, a paper kind of thing, linings are there, no? Click on that and write your answer.
Where, ma'am?
In the right corner, you can see the chat option where a square kind of shape is there, a thinking kind of.
Right bottom.
Okay, and the lines are there. Got it?
Ma'am, I got my answer.
All right. Type in the chat box. Let me check. Okay. Khushbu is saying you. No. Okay. Yug is saying you. What about others? You. Okay. Atvik is saying you. All right.
10, 11. I can't choose the chat box.
You are not able to write in the chat box?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, I'm waiting for the answers. I have received the answer of Yug and Advik only.
It's the square dot dot, right?
Okay, Pihu, if you're not able to write, give me the answer. What do you think?
It should be you.
You. Let's see. Let me ask Varun. Varun, what is your answer?
Answer.
What is your answer?
T.
Okay. Okay. Now, before understanding this, let me ask, do you know what are even numbers?
Yes. Yes.
Tell me you.
Yes. Even numbers
Mhm.
are the numbers which can be divided with even number of people.
Okay, group. You meant to say pair. Okay. So what are the numbers? Tell me the numbers.
2, 4,
Hmm.
6, 8, 12, 14, 16.
Got it. And what are even numbers?
Even numbers are
Sorry, what are odd numbers? Even we got. Now odd numbers.
odd numbers are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11,
Okay, got it.
13, 15, 17.
All right, got it. Advik, what is your answer? You. You said you? Okay. All right. So everyone is saying you. Let's see, is it correct or not? B. Can you tell me from B to E how many letters we are skipping?
2. 2.
2.
E.
Think again.
E. Okay. B. E. 2. A. B.
C, D.
1. 1.
Can you think that B, C, D, E? This is the, we are skipping 2 letters, that is correct. Can I say that E is coming when we are adding 3? C, D, E. Correct? Right?
Yeah.
Number. Okay. E to J, go. F, G, H,
4.
I, J. 4 letters we are skipping. That means we are adding 5, right?
Yeah. 4 letters.
Okay. 5. Now J to Q, how many letters? J to Q. K, L,
Letters.
M.
And 7.
7. Okay. 7. All right. 7.
Ma'am,
6 we are skipping. That means plus 7, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. So that means 3, 5, 7. What kind of numbers these are? These are something
Oh.
very familiar. Oh, so what do you think? What will be the next number after 7?
9. 9.
9. Okay. So after you count 9.
9.
R, S,
T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
and Z. Correct. Z. So what is happening here? You can do it anyway. You can skip the letters also, or you can add the numbers as well. In any way, you will get your answer. right?
Yeah.
What is your answer now?
Z.
Z. Okay. So is it clear how we are doing? So
Yeah.
this is called that patterns rule. We need to understand here. See, it's not going to be the same question everywhere. The reasoning questions are meant to be that it will be different. So we need to understand that what is happening when we are going from one letter to another. Is it going to be the same number addition every time? Or is it going to be the odd or even? Or what is happening actually? We need to figure out that, right? It can be any rule. Let's try some more question. Yeah. This is for you. This is easy. I want the answer in the chat box first. Okay. No one will disclose the answer directly. Which option should come in the place of question mark in the given series based on English alphabetical orders? You can see the three letters together. It's making a group. Think L, O, Q, M, N. What kind of repetition or what kind of rule? What is the sequence? Think. Anyone? A, B, C, D. You can type your option. A, B, C, D. Which option do you find correct? Then we will understand that why and how.
Okay, it might be PSC.
Type it in the chat box, whatever you're thinking. Varun, Advik, Yug, Pihu, and
I think S.
type in the chat box if you are.
S. A B C D I J K L M N O P Q R S T U. So
Yes.
D.
What's your answer? Okay, let me ask. In this way, Yug, what is your answer?
Ma'am, I'm sending it right now.
No, give me the direct answer. I'll see.
It's
Which option?
I choose D.
D. Okay. Varun, what is your answer?